What's going on, my warriors? So, if you have failed or blown your accounts, just know that you're not broken. You're just in the process of rebuilding, and you're rebuilding yourself to be a person that is really essentially a very unique and rare type of individual. Okay, because you're doing something that the masses cannot do. Trading is not your natural state. You were not born to be traders. As human beings, trading goes against all of your natural instincts. Brokers and prop firms, they know that 90% of traders quit within their first 90 days, or they blow their accounts within 90 days. That's why most people never succeed as traders. But the fact that you're here and you're watching this, you've already past that. You're not part of the 90%. You're now the warrior that has gone through the battles and you kept going. And that's why you're here. You're watching these videos because you realize that it's more than surface level stuff. So by the end of this video, I'm going to make sure that you understand what it really means to rebuild, right? What rebuilding yourself means, and that failing is not bad. It doesn't mean that you're broken. It's just part of your process. So the truth about rebuilding is that you have to fail in order to learn. There is no golden ticket where you can just pick up trading like that and just suddenly succeed overnight. It doesn't work like that. It takes years. There's a saying, you got to fail forward, failing forward, which is basically making all the mistakes that you can possibly make as fast as you can and being okay with that. And this is where you are separated from everybody else that has given up, because everybody else started trading expecting a certain outcome, a sure thing. And if it doesn't work, then that means trading doesn't work. And in a way, that's their ego protecting them from the truth. So they will never grow because they have this ego saying, well, look, trading is just gambling. It's not for you. Go do something else. Go back to your job. Go do something that is easier, right? Where it's true, trading is the hardest fast money to make. But you have to know why. Because when you're born, your brain has been programmed through your amygdala to protect you, to get you out of danger, right? This is your natural human state, is to protect yourself from danger, right? It's been evolved since the caveman days. Whereas in the olden days, if there was a saber-toothed tiger, your natural brain response is to run. You're not going to stand around and let the tiger eat you. And that has been wired in a way to keep you alive as part of the human evolution. And when you place a trade, it's exactly the same thing. Because now you take on risk, you're risking money. So your brain is now in a fight or flight response mode. It's thinking that, okay, I'm in a trade, I'm trading now, so this is risky. You understand? And then you have fear and all these emotions that control the way you react to the situations. And if you're reacting from fear, you're not thinking straight. That's your lizard brain. The amygdala is making all your decision makings. So that's why you get scared and you close your trades early, and then because you're scared of getting stopped out, but then you close your trades, you don't let your profits run, and it goes to your TP. And then you're kicking yourself. And then the next time you try to do it again and it goes to your stop loss. And then now you're even more wrecked. You're damaged now. And it really is like mental gymnastics, right? The thing is, you have to understand that when you break a bone, that bone grows back stronger. Another way you could say it is like steel is forged under fire, or diamonds are made under pressure. You have to understand this. This is why you're a warrior, because you didn't quit yet. You just didn't quit. One way or another, you're just going to figure it out. That's what I did. That was my mentality, right? Rebuilding actually means that you first have to accept that your losses are your lessons. You can learn from your lessons, so they're not really a loss. If you lose and you learn nothing, then that's a real loss. This is why I say, like, you should only have one trade a day. The reason being is that if you take a loss, then you have time to think about it, rather than taking a loss and then trying to get back into a new trade to recover. That's your ego. You're not thinking straight anymore, and you're not giving yourself time to analyze your thought process, why you lost, right? So if you are able to stick to just one trade a day, regardless of what happens, if you lose, then you can give yourself time to think over it, sleep on it, and really, you should spend as much time analyzing why you lost. The same amount of time should be given to that as to why you took the trade in the first place. And if you won that day, but you broke your rules, then you didn't really win. You just got lucky. This is the rebuilding work. This is the self-awareness that you have to put in if you want to rebuild. Rebuilding will consist a lot of the time just being aware, right? The reason some people are faster to the finish line and become more profitable quicker is because they didn't start with negative mental blocks. They didn't have the negative beliefs, the limiting beliefs when they started. So they had a good mindset to start with, and then they found a good strategy and they stuck with it, and they understood that losing was part of the process, and that was their shortcut to success. And they did it without knowing. They don't even know why they did it. So they look like geniuses, where in fact, everybody else is starting from a messed up mindset to begin with. That's why 90% don't even make it past the 90 days. The first 90 days, they give up already and they go try something else, the next shiny object. They don't even have the self-belief in them that they can do it. They don't have the warrior spirit in them. They're not cut from the same cloth. But you're here. You didn't give up. You knew that there was a better way. You didn't want anything else. You wanted this. This was your calling. And you didn't know how you were going to do it. For example, my story was I blew everything 5 years ago. I lost everything. $50,000. I lost that. I lost my house. I lost my car, my marriage, people that believed in me. It really hurt. I could have just given up then and said, it's not for me. Right? But instead, my rebuilding process led me on a journey that was the most unbelievable self-development, personal development, spiritual development journey that any person could go on. Like, I didn't know that one decision that I was going to pack up my bags, move out of the city, leave the matrix, sell everything, and just go and be in isolation until I figured it out. I thought I was just going to go and chase another strategy. But it wasn't just that. It led me on my own personal development, my own spiritual development, my own self-awareness, conscious awareness, the most beautiful journey any person could ask for. And I'm so blessed. And looking back, now that I have had the breakthroughs and overcame the hurdles 5 years later, that it all makes sense looking back. All the shadow work that I had to do, learning the strategy, coming across the ICT videos, SMC, and all the really good stuff that looks really good. That was a point in my journey where I leveled up. But ICT can only do so much and show you. You have to do the rest of it. You have to do the rest of the work, right? Do I trade ICT? No, I don't. I don't trade ICT. ICT, SMC, smart money concepts, whatever you want to call it, was just a way to understand the market better and then go from there. But that was just 10%. That's what got me to break even. To become consistent and profitable, I had to do the rest of the work. I had to do the shadow work, the hard stuff, the internal work, right? I had to stop caring about what other people thought. And I had to just go within, shut everybody out, right? Go into isolation, which is what you are doing. If you're here watching my videos, you're above average, right? You know that there's something, there's a way, there's something, and that's why you didn't quit. Whether it's been like me, more than 10 years, some of you even 13, 15 years, or some of you are earlier, 4 years, 3 years, 1.5 years, whatever your journey is, you haven't quit yet. And if you're here looking at psychology and mindset, and you're close, you're really close, you're rebuilding. This is your rebuilding phase, right? You're not broken. It looks like you're broken because you don't have the results to prove it to other people, right? So they think that you're broken, but you're not. You're rebuilding, you're fixing, you're reprogramming what your natural state would have been, your amygdala, your lizard brain, your survival, the old survival instincts. You have to kill that, because to be successful in trading, it requires you to take risk, to sit in discomfort, to be okay with being uncomfortable. And that was my journey. It was so beautiful. And now I know my purpose, because now that I've had my consistency and my successes, and it's still early, but it's there, I know that I can share that with you. If it feels like that's your missing piece, psychology, that you want to work on your subconscious mind, your subconscious reprogramming, then I encourage you to go with that. You're becoming the student that is ready, so the teacher appears. This is truth. Maybe I'm your teacher, maybe it's someone else, whoever it is, but do you understand how beautiful and spiritual that this journey that you're on is? It's not just trading charts, man. It's beyond the charts, right? Where everybody else is just gone back to the NPC life. They gave up on themselves. They went back to their jobs. They folded. They gave up. They quit. You didn't, because you're the warrior. If this message resonates with you, drop a like in the comments. Give me a smiley face. Just say something in the comments. Let me know that you're here with me. It resonates with you. If you want to work on your mindset, on the subconscious mind, on the way you react to markets, your internal wiring, your programming, then check out my first link in the description, the Inner Edge Pro. It was the exact same system that I used to reprogram my mindset for trading, because your mind is not wired for trading. So you have to rewire it. There's no way around it. There's no strategy is going to help you if you have a broken mindset. But you know that. You're not broken. You're just rebuilding. So I encourage you to work on yourself and rebuild. And this is your last boss level, like I like to say. It's the boss level. It's not you versus the market makers. It's not you versus the market, the charts. It's you versus you now, right? You're having this spiritual enlightenment because God put you here and gave you this information, brought you to this moment, gave you a voice inside your head, told you not to quit, made you come this far. So you don't want to quit now. You may as well finish. This is what's going to make you finish. Fixing yourself, fix your mindset. It's not, you don't have a broken strategy. Your strategy works. We know. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like and subscribe. Share this with another trader that you know is going to benefit from this message, that he needs to hear this, that he's not broken. They're not broken. He, she, whoever. They're not broken. They're just rebuilding. If they didn't quit, they're rebuilding. They're working on themselves. They are becoming the warrior that God or the universe could express themselves through you, so that you could be the light and go and help your family, your friends, the people around you, and make a difference, right? That's how we make the world a better place, right? So I'm telling you, you're not broken. Don't give up on yourself. You're just rebuilding. I wish this message got to me sooner, like way before in my early days, right? But it didn't. It was just part of my journey. And it's part of your journey now. I want you to be grateful for everything that you've been through and just know that you can do it. You're so close. Don't give up. See you soon.